Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you a delicious recipe. It's a Spanish dipping sauce called Alioli, and it's a quick sauce to make. It's made of garlic, olive oil, and an egg. Hola mis cariños, hoy les traigo una receta, se llama Alioli. Es una salsa de España. Está hecha con ajo, aceite de oliva y huevo. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss out on any recipes. Antes de comenzar, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Vamos a empezar. So the first thing I'm going to do is juice my lime. So I have a quarter of a lime and I'm just squeezing a few drops. That's all you need. This sauce is very simple to make. It's only 5 ingredients. You can use a blender, a hand mixer, or whatever you have in the kitchen that can mix ingredients together. Lo primero que hago es aprietar un cuarto de limón verde. Necesitamos unas gotas. Para esta receta necesitamos una batidora, una licuadora o un procesador de alimentos. So now I'm going to add in my ingredients. I'm adding in my egg, garlic, lime juice, salt, and I'm going to drizzle in my oil. And it's important that you drizzle the oil slowly, because if not, your sauce is going to break and you're going to have an oily mess. Ahora voy a añadir los ingredientes. Estoy agregando el huevito, un ajo, puede usar 2 ajos si quiere, unas gotas de limón verde, una pizquita de sal y aceite de oliva. Lo importante es añadir el aceite despacito para evitar que se rompa. This process takes about a minute to a minute and a half to complete. And in the end, you should have a nice thick creamy sauce. Todo este proceso lleva casi 1 minuto a minuto y medio para completar. Al final, deberías tener una buena salsa gruesa y cremosa. So now I'm going to show you the consistency of the alioli. Ahora le voy a mostrar la textura de la salsa alioli. The one thing about this sauce is really easy to make, but it's really easy to mess it up. If you add the oil too fast, you'll break it. If you add too much salt, then it's disastrous. If you add too much garlic, it's overpowering. So you just have to be careful when you make this and try to just play around with it and make it your own sauce. Esta salsa es muy fácil de hacer, pero lo único que hay que recordar es que es muy fácil arruinar. Si añade el aceite demasiado rápido, puede romperla, o si añade demasiado sal o ajo, puede arruinar el gusto. So I made my alioli for my ham croquetas this morning, and this sauce is great for everything. This is really delicious, so I'm just going to take a bite of my ham croquetas with my alioli. Delicious. This is simply delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know what you think. Hice unas croquetas de jamón esta mañana para mi salsa alioli. Esta salsa es muy rica y muy fácil para hacer y espero que la pruebes. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any recipes. And if you wish to donate to my channel, there's a link below that you can click and leave a donation. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para irme. Gracias por verme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like y comentario. Y no olvides suscribirse a mi canal. Y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Si quieres darle una donación para mi canal, hay un enlace abajo. Hasta la próxima. Muchas bendiciones. Nos vemos.